Hi, I'm Lisa and today I'm gonna show you how to do this makeup look. I've already done my skincare, focusing on exfoliating and moisturizing for a glowy result. I'm applying some of this thick moisturizer to really nourish the skin and also to make that glow pop even more. I'm focusing on the cheeks and the high points of my face, but I also just skim it around the rest of my face with what's left on my fingers. I then go in with this liquid highlighter on the points where I want the glow to be the most intense. I'm mixing my moisturizer with my concealer for a more sheer and dewy coverage. I apply this all over my face to even out my skin tone. To bring some color and life back to my face, I'm applying a cream bronzer to my cheekbones and my forehead. I'm defining my brows ever so slightly with the tinted brow gel. Then I'm defining some of my beauty marks with a brown pencil. Now, to get that gloss effect, I'm taking this skin gloss and applying it to the highest points of my face. I'm not going to apply any mascara, but to define my eyes just a little, I'm curling my lashes with some lash curlers. Then I'm going in with a nude lip liner to lightly shape my lips. Then I'm applying some of this light tinted lip balm. To finish off the lips, I'm taking this clear lip gloss for that ultimate shine. I wanted to add some fun to this look, so I'm taking my Vaseline and some loose glitter to create some stars and some glitter freckles. This is the finished look. Hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching.